Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and if you want to level up on the Steam and want to know that how you can level up on your Steam account, then this video is for you. So first thing, if I go to my account, view my account here, you can see this my level is right now 0. So actually this is my new account for demo actually for this video or tutoring. So from here, if I show you a post from the Steam community where they are showing that how do you can increase the XP on your profile to level up. So there is a number of ways to increase your profile level on Steam. This includes like purchasing games, earning badges, crafting badges, or upgrading badges. Now here in this article you can find something like they are actually guiding you how you can actually increase your level. So here are some free ways that ask for trading card donation. So you can donate card that you have by playing games on your Steam account, so you can trade them. So if you trade them, that you don't have to own a game or to get its trading cards or complete its badge. However, to get the trading cards for free, you will have to ask for donations, while your friends may be okay with giving any cards away, giving away cards for free. Other users may see this as begging and deny your request. Even so, this is the fastest way to get Steam XP without buying games. Now from here, the years of service badge. So once you have been Steam users for a year, you will start earning the years of service badge. Each year on your Steam account's creation date, you will get 50 XP. Also, complete non-game badges. So there are a few types of non-game badges you can get, like sales badges and Steam hours nomination badges, Steam years in review badges, or community badges here. So interact with the community, Steam community, more and more to get these badges from here, or get trading cards from your discovery queue during events. You can find different types of events where you can find some trading cards. And also you can here is some paid ways, and if you follow these paid ways, you can get ton of XPs and get level up overnight, lots of actually you can say. So you can trade, you can get cards, you can trade them, you can earn badges, or you can progress in game and you can earn XP in Steam, and you can level up to your expected level on Steam. So that's how you can just simply do it. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.